Did you know a woman once spent her final days not grieving her own death, but quietly making sure everyone she loved would be okay after she was gone? Émilie du Châtelet was one of the greatest scientific minds in French history. She translated Newton's Principia Mathematica into French, a version still considered the definitive edition today. She was also Voltaire's intellectual equal, his romantic partner, and his closest companion for 16 years. In 1748, she was 42 and pregnant. She knew the odds. So instead of falling apart, she did something remarkable. She carefully arranged for Voltaire to befriend her lover, so her unborn child would have someone to protect it after she was gone. She was right about everything. She died within days of giving birth. Voltaire was found wandering the streets, saying he had lost half of himself. He lived another 29 years. He never found another equal, not once. She spent her last days saving everyone else, and the man she left behind never fully recovered from losing her.